If you're still taking notes during meetings, you're already behind. Because right now, AI tools can record, transcribe, summarize, and even answer questions from your meetings automatically. But here's the problem, there are too many options. Bluedot AI, you also have Otter AI, and Fireflies AI. Which one is actually worth using? And more importantly, which one will save you the most time without feeling complicated? Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be reviewing all three, showing you the differences and telling you which one is actually worthwhile using depending on your situation. I've included links in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up and test them out for completely free. Now let's dive in. Make sure to stick around because by the end I'll show you the best tool for beginners, the best for teams, and also the one I recommend if you want something simple but powerful. All three of these tools are AI meeting assistants. They can record your meetings, transcribe everything, generate summaries, and help you find information later. But how they do it and how easy they are to use is where things start to change. Tool number one is Bluedot. Bluedot is one of the most beginner-friendly tools on this list, and one thing that makes it stand out is how non-invasive it is. Unlike some tools that join your meetings as a bot, Bluedot works directly in your browser, so it doesn't interrupt your meetings or show up as a participant. Now, once you sign into Bluedot, this is how your dashboard will look, and you'll be given the option to add a Chrome extension. As you can see the blue dot in the top right hand corner of my screen. So, for example, let's say I were to go onto a Google meeting, and I'm just going to be starting an instant meeting, so I'll tap on Start Meeting. After you have selected Start Meeting, you're going to see a few options. First, you'll see a blue dot in the bottom right here on the bottom left hand corner. You could tap right here to activate it. Another option that you also have when it comes on to Bluedot, you could tap on the Chrome extension in the top right hand corner, and by the way, you can also automate it so it automatically starts, and you can simply tap on Start Capture, and just like that it will be added. Instead of other platforms here, you'll see it show up as a bot that sometimes will be intimidating to persons. Bluedot automatically records it from your browser. You can also choose different templates depending on the meeting that you're having. For example, you have general notes. Let's say, for example, you're having a screening interview. You have different templates that you can choose when it comes onto Bluedot. So you'll simply tap on Start Capture and it will begin. Once it is installed, it can automatically record your meetings, transcribe everything in real time, and generate summaries using different templates. If we were to go back to the main dashboard, this is a recording that I have done. So if I were to tap on the recording, from here you can see the transcript. You can also change the template as I was saying earlier. For example, at the moment it is a key takeaways. We can change it to general notes. You could also scroll down and you could change it to sales note. You have different options. You could also tap on questions and answers and you'll see the different questions that was asked during that particular meeting. Now let's say for example you would like to search the transcript for a particular section. You can simply tap on search transcript and then from there you could type in what you would like to search for. And you can see right there it will find it. Another thing that I also like when it comes onto Bluedot, if you were to go over to the left hand menu option and select AI chat, after selecting AI chat, from here you can ask it questions for any one of the recordings. So you can simply tap on add recording and you could add up to 10 recordings, and from here you can ask it questions. If you want something simple that just works without overcomplicating things, I left a link in the description where you can try Bluedot for free. Next up is Otter AI, which is probably the most well-known tool here. Otter is very strong when it comes onto live transcription. It's fast, accurate, and great for things like lectures, interviews, and meetings. Once you're signed up to Otter AI, this is how your dashboard will look. Now with Otter AI, you're provided with a few more options. For example, you can simply tap on record right here and you could start your recording. And Otter also offers a Chrome extension that you can quickly add in, as you can see right here. And once you have added that Chrome extension, if we were to go back to our Google meeting, let's say I were to end this one and I were to start a new Google meeting for example's sake. So I'll tap on Start Meeting. You can also go over to the top right hand corner and you can simply tap on your Chrome extension and you can see the Otter pop up. All you need to do is simply tap on Start Recording, and from there it will automatically start recording your meeting. So this is another standout feature, but here's the trade-off. Otter is more focused on transcription first and less on automation and integrations compared to the others. Also, it typically joins the meeting as a bot, which some people don't like. Now, so if your main goal is just accurate transcripts, Otter is solid. But if you want more automation and workflow features, the others might be better. Now let's talk about Fireflies AI. And this one is a bit more advanced. Fireflies is designed more for teams, businesses, and people who want deeper integrations. For example, once you signed up to Firefly, this is how your dashboard will look. With Firefly, you are given the option where you'll be able to join meetings automatically, record and transcribe, and also create smart summaries. For example, these are a few meetings that I've recorded. All I'll need to do is simply tap on it. After you have done that, from here, you can see the summary. And I could go over to the right hand menu option and I can view it. I could, for example, share it if I want. I can also edit the transcript. You're given numerous options. You can also ask the AI about the transcript. Any question that you would like to ask, you can quickly do that with Fireflies AI. And also with Fireflies, they also have a Chrome extension that you can quickly add in. So if I were to tap on extension right here, you can see the Fireflies extension that you can add in. It joins meetings, it records, transcribes, creates smart summaries, and it integrates with tools like Slack, Notion, and CRMs. And one powerful feature is that it can track conversations across your team, which is huge for sales and project management. Now let's look at the pricing for all three platforms. With Bluedot AI, you can get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $18 and it can go up to $39. With Otter AI, you can also get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $16 and can go up to $24. With Fireflies AI, you can also get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $18 and it can go up to $39. In conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend that you go with Bluedot if you are a complete beginner or a solo user, as it is simple, clean, and no bot join meetings. While on the other hand, I would recommend that you go with Otter AI if you are more looking for a platform that is best for transcription, and one of its main strengths is real-time accuracy. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend Fireflies AI as the best option for teams and automation, as one of its strongest features is integrations and collaboration. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.